Let's talk about something you've probably walked past 100 times and never really truly thought about. You know the one I'm talking about, right? That kind of fancy-looking green plaque, usually right by the front door of a big office building or maybe a new library. You see it, you think green, and you just keep walking. And maybe you've had that fleeting thought, like, that must be something good for the planet. But what does it actually mean? What does a building have to do to earn one of those? Okay, so let's unpack this mystery. That plaque is a sign that the building is certified under a system called LEED. Now, LEED stands for, wait for it, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. Yeah, I know, it's a total mouthful. But all you really need to know is that it's one of the biggest, most recognized green building standards in the entire world. So forget the long name. The absolute best way to think about LEED is to imagine it's a report card, but for buildings. It's literally grading them on how well they're doing for the environment. So if it's a report card, how exactly does a building get its grade? I mean, what are the subjects it's getting tested on? Well, it all comes down to a point system. Buildings have to prove themselves and earn points in a whole bunch of different categories, or, subjects, to get that final grade. And check this out. When you look at all the different subjects, one is clearly the big final exam, energy and atmosphere. It's worth about 1/3 of all the possible points. That tells you right away that how a building uses power is a really big deal. But it's also graded on other important stuff, like the air quality inside, how smartly it uses water, and even where it's built. And just like in school, the more points a building racks up, the better its grade. It's kind of like leveling up in a game. You start at certified, but you can climb the ladder to silver, gold, and the top tier all-star level, platinum. So here's the key. Any certification is a good thing, but there is a world of difference between them. A certified building basically passed the test, but a platinum building, that's the valedictorian. That's the straight-A student of sustainability. Okay, so report cards, points, grades, that all sounds neat, but why does any of this actually matter? What's the real-world impact here? Well, get ready for this number. Our commercial buildings, they are absolute energy hogs. A whopping 62% of the energy they use is electricity. That is a massive slice of our entire country's energy pie. And that is exactly why these LEED scores are so critical. A higher grade isn't just a shiny plaque for the wall. Nope. It means that building is actually designed to save a ton of energy, use way less water, have healthier air for us to breathe inside, and ultimately leave a much, much smaller carbon footprint. So let's bring it all home. After all that, what's the one big thing you should remember the next time you see one of those green plaques? Just remember this. That plaque isn't just a piece of decoration. It's a scoreboard. It's a scoreboard for a healthier, more efficient world that we're building, one project at a time. It's a little sign that says, hey, this building is part of the solution. If you thought that was a cool way to understand what that plaque means, and you want more simple breakdowns about the energy all around us, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to Energy Simply Explained. We'd love to have you. Thanks for watching.